What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today, call me new tone or Brone because I'm exhausted. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to say, look, I bring the heat routinely. If you new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of these lovely deals. Stay tuned because I got some good ones for you. First up, over at Lowe's, we have this impact driver kit for $99. I think I talked about this yesterday, but I found its bigger brother with, and I say that reluctantly because this is a 2 amp hour battery and this is a 1.7 amp hour battery, but it's a power stack battery. So you have this one for the extra $119. So the same impact drivers, no modes. Y'all know how I feel about that. But for $99 for a whole kit, that ain't bad. Or $119 with the power stack battery, that also is not bad. Moving on, Kobalt. We have, now this is a really good deal, on their mid-torque impact wrench, $149 for the whole kit. You get a 4 amp hour extended run battery, so that's like the mid-grade one. You can get some more beans out of this bad boy if you upgrade to their, I forgot, what is their, what is the other battery? I can't, you know the upgraded battery, I don't know. So I'm going to leave a link to the video from the Torque Test channel on this bad boy. It works darn good, especially comparing it to Milwaukee's mid-torque. 149, can't beat that with a 4 amp hour battery charger in the bag. Nice deal right there. 650 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Good deal. Moving on. So yesterday I talked about this deal. I showed it to you over at Lowe's for $199 for the 3.5 amp hour stack lithium batteries, the charger, and you get a free tool. Now, on Lowe's, I didn't notice that it wasn't available for shipping, and I apologize for that, but it does have the same deal over at Ohio Power Tool. It is on order, but at least you know you don't have to be driving all around the different Lowe's to get this deal. You know you'll eventually get it. So go ahead and just buy it from Ohio Power Tools. I'll link it in the video. You should actually see something pop up on the screen right now. That is clickable. It'll take you straight to this page, so you don't have to be digging through the description for a link. Moving on, we're still over here at Ohio Power Tool. We have this Metabo, not HPT drill. Now, if you don't know, Metabo makes some of the best drills on the face of this earth, okay? I think this one is unique because it's shaped like a drywall screw gun. So you would hold it up here and push this trigger with like your pinky and ring finger. But this is a high-speed drill. Now this, I just want to show you, this is for like drilling through sheet metal and things of that nature. That's what you want the high speeds for. Now let's check this out. So here's what I want you to see, the no load speed of 4,000 RPM. And for those of you that don't know, that's real fast. So two conflicting things here. It says weight 5 pounds, and then right here it says weight including battery pack is 2.6 pounds. I don't know. Maybe this is just the shipping package, shipping weight. That would actually make more sense. And then the drill itself is 2.6 pounds with a battery. Now, just to compare, let's go on over here. We find this Milwaukee hammer drill. This is their tippy top of the line drill. Let's go see the specs on that. This bad boy is 4.91 pounds and it produces 2,100 RPM. All right, 2,100 RPM. Let's move on over here to this DeWalt 3-speed transmission drill. You think 3 speeds, oh my God, this thing got to be super duper fast, right? Well, it's faster than a Milwaukee, but let's first look at the weight, 3.54 pounds, okay, and 2250 RPM, okay? So 150 RPM faster than the Milwaukee, sure, but it ain't 4,000. And let's take a look at the flex. This one has turbo mode, so this is super duper fast, right? Super duper uber fast. All right, hold on. So let's look at the weight. I don't know, it says 9 pounds. I'm gonna tell you what, flex tools are heavy, but I don't think they that heavy. It don't feel like 9 pounds in my hand. It doesn't feel like maybe 4, but not 9. Anyway, let's take a look at those RPMs. 2,500. It's smoking everybody, clearly, except for this Metabo, all right? So I just wanted you to see the value in this drill, okay? All this big belly, that's where that powerful motor's sitting. $149.50, and it's only $1 left. Who will be the special guy to get that one? All right, moving on. Acme Tools is having another 15% off on just hand tools. All right, hand tools. Tool Time 15. Tool Time Tim Taylor 15. Don't put Tim Taylor in there, but Tool Time 15. It gets you 15% off. And there's some decent tools over here. So, like this Milwaukee, these wire strippers, they're already $14.97, and that's on sale. You get an additional 15% off. You also have an additional 15% off this Fastback 5-in-1 folding knife, and it's already on sale. It was something else I saw that was already on sale. Some nice little hand tools, and it was something from Milwaukee. This 10-piece screwdriver is on sale, extra 15% off there. So I would definitely check through this. Obviously, again, it's 11,995 results. I didn't go through all those, but there's some decent ones on the first page alone. Moving on over to Lowe's, we have this Bosch drill with two 4-amp-hour batteries. These are the core 18 volts, so those have the 21700 cells in them, a charge in the bag, and they're mid-grade drill. It's a nice drill, man. Wait a minute. Is this mid? It's not a Pro Factor. No, it's not a Pro Factor. It's the one underneath that, but it still has that little piece right here for the Bluetooth, so you can control it with your phone. Wow. So, yeah, $129 for the whole kit, but that is in-store only, so that's the rub right there. Now, back in the day, you could call in, and for $4.99, they would ship this to you. So you can try calling Lowe's and see if that will work. But I will say this, don't forget, Rakuten and Retail Me Now are free cashback extensions. Click the link in the description to get a bonus $30 when you first sign up on top of the 2% cash back with Rakuten. If you already done that, don't forget to use your Retail Midnights. All right. Moving on, we have the Skil Compact Impact Wrench Kit. 2-amp-hour battery here, and this is the 20 volts. 2-amp-hour battery here, charger with, it looks like 2 USB ports on there. I don't know. I can't really tell. And it likely comes with a bag, knowing Skil. $79.98 if you want to buy it online, but some stores actually have this for $59.98 if you live near a Lowe's. If you live as far as I do, it's worth just paying the extra, $20, because I'm going to spend that in gas and time and all that other stuff. 220 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Not a whole lot, but that's not bad for a compact of, a year and a half ago. The newer ones are doing mid-torque numbers now, but again, for $59, $79, that ain't half bad. Finally, we go over here at Amazon, and we have the Ecoflow portable refrigerator cooler with an ice maker in there, the Glacier. It is $649 with an extra $150 coupon off, and I'm going to give you a code. That thing. Just pause it. Write it down. If you use that, you'll get an extra $50 off, making this bad boy $454, something like that. $449, all right? And that's without the battery, which I don't recommend. I recommend you just come over here and get the one with the battery, because the battery's like $200-something on its own, and you use it that way. So same deal, $200 off. Basically, it's $549, and there you have that. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I butchered this video. I was messing all up. I have to edit a lot because I'm sleepy. Hopefully I get some rest. Hopefully you're real rested. See, I need to go. I need a nap. Anyway, share this with your brethren. Hit that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.